So Kraken just became the first crypto company in history to receive a Federal Reserve master account. Now, this is a much bigger news than what the headline make it seems, and it might just change banking as a whole. Kraken Financial, the Wyoming chartered banking arm of the exchange, has just received access to Fedwire, which is basically the payment system / network that all of the banks and credit unions in the United States are using to exchange money on a daily basis. Fedwire maintains more than $4 trillion in volume every single day. That's how big of a deal this is. Before this approval, Kraken needs to utilize an intermediary bank whenever they want to transfer fiat money. Now, they can do that all on their own. They can integrate it internally and basically control the entire flow of money supply. That's the angle that Kraken wanted to do. Obviously, this would mean that the services would become cheaper, it would become faster, and it would be a superior product for the end customers. This is actually a battle that many TradFi players in crypto has tried for years. The OG one, which was called Custodia Bank back in the day, they fought this, but then they lost the battle. Kraken now has won that battle. The biggest takeaway is that there is now a crypto native firm who's directly plugged into the plumbing of the US Federal Reserve, and that is a massive deal. Obviously, this is also a concern for the traditional banking systems. They have expressed concerns and even made comments with regards to this, even implying that some sort of limited access would threaten their entire systems that have lasted for half a century or even more now. The crypto proponents obviously say that that is not an excuse, because it would just mean that these banks are building businesses not because they can provide better services, but because of regulatory capture. Their moat is simply because you might take some of our businesses. So what does this mean? Now the yield, the rails, the settlement, everything in the broader global money system is finally converging with one another. So thus far, crypto has always lived in this parallel, a financial system, always been a big gap whenever you want to go to crypto or off from crypto. On-ramp, off-ramp remain one of the biggest businesses in the crypto vertical itself. But now, with Kraken's entrance into the Fed master account and potentially many other crypto native companies in the future, that is a much bigger deal that the incumbents, especially banks, are worried about, that can actually participate in the broader money system and provide better services, cheaper for the everyday users. And we should and can expect a lot more of these policies that one might argue, hey, this is just benefiting the crypto people, but at the same time, all that they're fighting for here is a more equitable playing field so that they can service the end customers much better than the legacy banking systems.